how to add an animated screensaver, and finally we will learn how to divide the terminal into different sections so that you can work on few different things at once. This video is for those who are new to Linux and want to customize the terminal, so let's get started. Now to first add a custom banner like this, we need to install the tool lolcat and figlet, and we can do this with the command sudo apt install figlet lolcat space -y and press enter. After the tools are installed in our system, we can generate any text with the command figlet space in double quotation the text that we want to generate. I'll generate the name of my channel and I can see the text has been generated. If I want to place this text in the center, I would type figlet space -c for center and the text. And as you can see, my text is now placed in the center. You can change the font of this text too. To see which fonts you can use, type show fig fonts. And these are all the fonts you can use. So suppose if I want to use this font, I would copy the name and type figlet -f for font and paste the name of my font space -c for center and the text that I want to generate. Now as you can see, the font has changed. I can add color to this text too by piping the previous command with lolcat, and now my text has color. Let's generate a different text. I'll change the font to digital and change my text to subscribe to my channel. And as you can see, we have two different text in two different fonts. If I want this text to appear as a banner every time I open my terminal, I'll type the command sudo mousepad the tilde sign /.zshrc, and when the file opens, scroll to the end of the file and copy the commands. So I'll copy the first command, paste it at the end of the file, go to the next line and copy the second text and paste it, save the file, close my terminal and open my terminal again, and I can see the text is now appearing as a banner. We can change the color of our terminal too by clicking on File, Preferences, and under Appearance, you can do basic customization of the terminal. So suppose if I wanted the terminal to be not transparent at all, I can change the terminal transparency from 5% to 0. Under Color Scheme, we can change the default color to any color that we like. I'll choose green on black, and after changing the settings, I'll click on Apply, and as you can see, the color of my terminal has been changed and it is not transparent at all. We can also add animated screensaver. One of the most famous one is cmux, and we can install it with the command sudo apt install cmux. It is already installed in my system. Now to use this screensaver, I'll simply type cmux and I can see we have the matrix screensaver. You can find other screensavers too by searching for list of terminal screensaver, and you can install any one that you like. So try a few different ones and see which one you like. Now if I want to divide the terminal into different sections, I would click on Actions, and if I want to divide the terminal horizontally, I will click on Split View Top Bottom, and as you can see, I have two different sections in one window. Now you can divide it as many times as you want. So if I want to divide this vertically, I will click on Actions and click on Split View Left Right. You might have to adjust it to frame by pressing Ctrl and the plus sign at the same time. Now you can work on three different things at once. So here in the first terminal, I'll start Metasploit. In this terminal, I'll update my system. And in this one, I can use the C matrix. By dividing the terminal like this, you do not have to open multiple tabs. You can do everything in one tab. So that is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more Kali Linux content, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.